Hi guys, Lori for BrushFalls Studios here. We're gonna do another painting here. I have an 18 by 24 wet canvas, and we're gonna do an experiment. I'm so excited. I haven't done this in a long time, so bear with me. We have blues, reds, and whites. We're gonna let me put my base coat on. This is just a white base coat. Get that going. Let's stretch this out first so it's thin. And sometimes you just have to help it along with a nice little brush. And let's do this like this here. Okay. Go. All right. So it's pretty even. Let's get that out of the way. Right here. Okay. So let me get that torch, babes. A woman with fire. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how this looks. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay. I have a balloon. I have actually 4 balloons. All of them are different sizes. And we're going to do a balloon dip. Okay? Watch with me, guys, okay? Okay. Oh, my Lord. Wow. 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 Okay, let's do another one. I may or may not stretch this out. I'm going to start with the gray on the bottom this time. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at the cells. Wow. My God. Now I'm going to go around the perimeter because my balloon isn't big enough. And we're going to go like this. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Okay. One more right about here. Okay, let's see what this one looks like. I'm not layering the colors, it's one color, and that's it. Be right in the middle. Press hard. Don't pop it though. Oh, wow. Oh my Lord. Let's do this medium size balloon I have over here. We're going to just do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not sure where I'm counting. 1. Oh, no, just kidding. I love it. I think that's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Okay, now I'm going to put the red because every single one of these don't have red in the prominent color. So we're going to just make that huge. Red, black, and white. What do you think about that? Red, black. I'm going to leave the green off this time just because I want some contrast. The white, the gray, and the teal. And then the soft dark greenish sage color that I have here. So let me wipe off my balloon real quick. Okay, let's see. Let's see how this looks. Press hard, but don't pop it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is amazing looking. I love this technique. So let's use the medium balloon and just, I don't want to ruin this too much because that's really amazing. So we'll just go around real quick around the petals of this flower and just make it like beautifulness. Okay, now here we are. Let's see what I think I'm going to cover this like that. Cover this. I think I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Wow. I'm in love. I'm gonna have to. Oh, I love it. Let me bring some of that red over because I got some. No, I have no red back here. Yeah. I'm not gonna tilt this at all. I love it. I think it's gorge. I have some negative space right here. What do you guys think? Make another little baby one right there. Yay, nay. Yes, husband says yes. We're gonna do one more baby one, and I'm gonna just do a really small. I have to be careful that I don't want it to spread into this area because it will. Flow art has a mind of its own sometimes. Okay, now let me get my baby balloon out. Okay, here we go. Press hard, but don't pop it. Woo! That is beautiful. That is gorgeous. Okay, guys, this is a balloon dip. So go create whatever colors you want when you get home. So my husband is giving me one of these in the background. So everybody enjoy yourself. Happy painting. We'll see you at the next show. Bye.